Instagram, Facebook, how you guys doing? You may not know me, Martin Morris, 53, owner of Too Old to Be Too Broke, TooOldToBeTooBroke.com. This started out of 2014 when I had lost two duplexes to foreclosure. My 4-bedroom, 2-bedroom house in Yucca Valley on an acre and a half of land was almost in foreclosure. Owed $94,117 to the student loan, another $20,000 to a line of credit, and that was in court for probate. Not counting tax bills, supplemental tax bills, LLC tax bills I kept getting for the state. So back in 2014, I just started saying, if I could ever help some people out, yes, I'm going to charge you for helping you out. I know some of you give it to me for free. Nothing's for free, man. Trust me. I'm 53 now. I used to live in the hood, so ain't nothing for free. So I was going over some of Grant Cardone's things. Thanks, Grant, helping me get out of debt. Now I'm investing in Cardone Capital. Just $2,000 to $3,000 of passive income will be better than no passive income. So today I was going through his marketing crash course, going over some, list some things I can put in my blog or talk to about meetings. You know, I realized my parents are dead. Grandparents are dead on both sides, mom and dad. Rex is dead. That was my first dog. Girl is dead. That was my second dog. Boo Boo. Another dog named Butterball. You know what? And I worked in a Baptist church, Heavenly Tabernacle Church, for 13 years as an usher, Sunday school teacher. I counted the money in the back. Used to help set up the church for programs. A janitor, cleaner the toilets. You know what? No one's come back from the dead. Jesus is the only one I realized that has come back from the dead, and that's even by faith. I got to just assume because I'm in Baptist church, so, Jesus comes from the dead, sunrise. But I'm just taking it by faith now. That's it. I didn't actually see him come out the tomb and all that stuff for Easter. So all of this is by faith. Based on what I have on my 53 years, once you die, you're dead. You ain't a zombie. You ain't coming back. You're dead. So what I'm trying to say is you head into the Christmas season, if you're working to have a business where you do retail or any type of business, get that money, man. As long as you're living, the more money you have, the more discipline you have. The more discipline you have, you'll want to make more money because you realize money is power, man. That's why I was looking through these things I did. I worked as a janitor at UC Davis Rec Center. I worked as a janitor where I went and cleaned people's houses. I worked as an accountant. What else did I do? I worked at Togo's. I got fired from a Togo's. This woman didn't like me. Got fired from A&PM because they were upset I didn't mop the floor. Well, you count cigarettes and stuff, clean what they call it, a shake machine, and then you want me to mop too? Half an hour, keep the door open, deal with people? Shit, you must be out of your mind. What else did I do? Passed out flyers door to door for telecommunication. Golden Tiger Martial Arts, passed out flyer, telemarketer at Equitas Capital. I was a failed student, soil mechanics twice. Here I am 53. Just think if I tell somebody 22 I failed soil mechanics twice. They go, what song is that? That's why I'm saying as you get older, that's why we focus at TooOldToBeTooBroke.com. My goal is to help you make extra money. And while you're making that extra money, I want to help you as you make extra money. I want to show you how you can use your skills as an older person to help some of these young people, man. I was just reading this book. I'll show it to you. He just talked about all the women are just disciplined, focused, while all the men are playing loud music. They got the loud cars. Remember, only one person can be cool. That's what I learned from my generation. Everybody thinks they can be cool. I don't care how many pictures your parents take of you with the telephone, how great they tell you you are. You know what? There's only one number one. Now, if you got money, you're number one. But you're living with 5 roommates, that ain't cool. I did that before. Locked me in my room. I had to break out my own room. They used to lock the door. I had to go out the window and all kind of stuff. So, no. Having a fancy car and an Audi, living with 5 or 6 roommates, that's not cool. Maybe with your girlfriend. I recommend you not do that unless you can get married. That can turn into disaster. Did that twice. So what else did I look at when I was looking at Grant Cardone? telemarketer, janitor. I was a repairman. I used to live in my house. I was a fire sprinkler repairman. I was paying somebody $500, and they make me walk outside, cut the water on, cut the water off. Don't cut the, once they fix the little thing that's leaking, don't cut it on for 5 or 6 hours, and then they're gone, and I had to pay them $350 to $500. I was a plumber, man. I had to dig 4 feet underground to expose the leaking pipe for the plumber guy. Walk all the way out, cut the water on, walk all the way, cut the water back. Pray. He's gone. He's long gone. He fixed the thing. He's long gone. So I'm hoping it's fixed. Otherwise, I got to call him again. Car repairman. Used to have a BMW. Oh, I respect anybody who wants to stick their hands into a BMW and work, man. He used to try to replace the light bulbs. I was replacing brakes. I was replacing fuses. Fuses were fine, but when you try to replace those light bulbs, those hoses, oh my God, I don't care how many YouTube videos you watch, you know, you're like, fuck this shit, man. That little light comes on all the time. I can imagine what the cars do now. They just light try to comes on all the time. What else do I have on here? I was a tutor. I used to tutor at the Learning Center at UC Davis, math and stuff. I used to work as an undergrad student for Professor Schroeder for his what you call it? I'm a blogger since 2014 on YouTube. 2 top martial art Taekwondo courses. So I want you to go through Grant Cardones Marketing Crash course. Kind of go through that. And as I was going through that, I'm realizing, you know why I was doing those jobs? Passing out flyers, telemarketing, standing at Costco home decorating. I used to pull weeds, work at athletic events. You know why I was doing that? For the money, man. That's it. So sometimes when you're making money, it's not fun. I know you guys want to have fun. You're saying, I want the employer to treat me right. Sometimes I just need you to go out there and make some motherfucking money. Go home, have a drink, be happy I'm paying you above minimum wage, and let's just call it a day. So as you head into this Christmas season, I want you to realize the more money, that's the focus at 202broke.com, helping you pay off your student loan, helping you pay off your car loan faster, teaching you like income property may not be the way to go. I'm telling you, they're like a lot of people, income property. Where? What about if you're in California? People don't have to pay they rent for a year. There's more luxury cars in San Bernardino where they're killing brothers like they go to Starbucks every day. They're driving their luxury cars. I almost had to honk at a guy pulling out today. Living at home, probably has his new car. Hi, Mom. Taking his girlfriend to the house, fucking her and shit. He can't got enough fucking money to buy his own fucking apartment. He's going to have enough money to move his car. That's my baby. Taboo. That's what I say. That's your baby, huh? You mean baby as in baby or baby as in... I'm just saying, man. You look certain age, you living at home, and then you're going to bring your girlfriend in the house. I'm just saying. Hot movies. So, as you guys as we head into like the end of the, as we head into the new year, so I want you to think, more money is better. Make more money, man. That's why 202broke.com is helping. And then I'll talk to you a lot about income property. But go look at my tribute to thanks to Grant Cardone, helping me pay off more money, reduce my debts. I want you guys to go to 202broke.com, sign up. I'm going to come over with basic programs that help you keep more money in your pocket. You need money, man. Unless you're dead, like I told you, you're dead, you don't need money. Unless they start finding a way for you to come back, then I would worry. Until then, you want money to like buy quality foods, buy gas, not have to shop at an Arco, buy some quality clothes. You want things where you can at least have something where you can help you out. So go check out 202broke.com. Focus that the channel is just to have you have more money as you grow older. There's nothing wrong with having a little bit more money. You can go to your wallet, pull out $5, $10, $15, $20. Your confidence goes up. People's confidence in you goes up. That's why you keep making more money. It's not for you. It's for them. Because if you can do it, they can do it. If I can do it, if I can pay off all those debts and have it put away $1,600 a month, $1,000 to Grant Cardone, $600 to Schwab, $200 to my credit union, Then for my second job for the next couple of months, $100 to the credit union. That's 16.7% of that income from that check. And I got that coming on Friday. That builds your confidence. When you have confidence, people attract to you. People want confidence. We have kids. Like, men need to get that confidence from you. They're just parents let them do anything. Then they're out there running the street, doing bizarre stuff, end up in jail. The problem is now, at least during my time, they help people. Now it's like, good luck, man. They don't give a shit. Fuck you. So if you're a young, good-looking guy, that's what I'm saying, and you think you go stand out Target or wherever, give you some motherfucking money, I don't think so. Handsome young man, get your older hot woman, older young girl, or go work at Amazon. I ain't giving you no money this year. Later.